Monday morning, 8th December. Got our usual pair here. Harvesting their breakfast goodies. They're just quite entertaining to watch. And on we continue.
Hey, we have our greeting party, Freddie. I think Fluffy is nearby. Yeah. Hi, Guy. Good morning. How you doing? And here comes Fluffy. Okay, Freddie and Fluffy. Okay, almost to their feeding area. And first treat time and then food. Okie dokies. Food is down and both are at it. And we're gonna move along. Okay. Just showing the beautiful hillside greening up. Good morning. Okay. Just amazing. It just takes a little bit of water. And all the vegetation that's just been sitting there waiting for the right condition to come along. And to happen, pops up. Cool.
Okay, walking on Evans Road after feeding the ferals. Saw this big beauty fly right into the tree. Moved around a little bit and it's perched in a place where we can conveniently get it on recording. You notice people keep wanting to say we're able to film it, or we're not even videotaping or filming. Anyway, we got it on digitals. Right over there. That's off of Temple Road.
Okay, we're at the lower waterfall of the stream next to Alvisa Adobe Park. The water's surge has calmed a bit. The water has cleared up. It's no longer muddy. And we have a little island now in the pond below the waterfall. See how close we can get in. It was not here yesterday, so this is dirt and stuff that was swept down during the storm, and now it's created a little island. Don't know how long that's going to stay, but interesting. Okay, up on Redwood Tree over at Uridius Ranch Road is RedTailed Hawk. Maybe the same one we saw the other day, don't know. Doesn't matter. RedTailed Hawk. I think we're going to take a little longer walk than normal and see if it will still be on that road by the time we get there. Okay, brown bird that's doing the peanuts that I left out. And blue jay just flew in, darn it. Went blurry just when I didn't want it to. Not that I wanted it to go blurry at any time. And we got a little hummer at the lavender. It's busily enjoying the flowers.
This morning.
Sure do. This is about the best place to see him. He's sitting near the top of the redwood tree. I mean, there's a little bit more to that tree, but not much. Move too much one way or the other, and branches obscure the view of him. The sun is now peeking through the clouds, so I won't be staying here much longer because it's going to be right in my face. But wow, he is gorgeous. Jay is acting as a sunshade. Thank you, Jay. Okie dokes. Return trip, we have Freddie and Fluffy.
Here's the girl.
Day 4 of no collie. Okay, and me stepping on you, Freddie. He likes to play chaperone when we're out in his area. score big. Jay just dumped treats for them. You want to give it to him? Okay. And Jay's just put down food for the cats because, well, kitty cat wasn't at the park while we were there, and Callie wasn't at Lutheran Church, so the food that would have gone down for them, we still have, and these guys cleaned their plate. So clearly they're still a little bit hungry, which is fine. I guess I'll take care of that.
On the fence.
Yeah, Here we go. Yay. This crow is the one who likes to eat his peanut on the spot. Good for him, rather than burying. Now he'll fly away. He's cracking open a peanut. He's got a peanut. He's going to eat on the spot too. Now he's just going to try to get more than one. Good boy. They sure made quick order of getting the shell off the peanuts. He's also busy picking up the Honey Nut Cheerios. Jay's gonna toss out the peanuts for the crows. I'm hanging back here. Okay, a nice bounty of peanuts went on the ground.